All right, so anyway, it's freezing outside. Let's say your Honeywell has pooped the bed and you're trying to figure out where the hell the battery is. Well, if you look up top here, you're gonna see right here, it says press. Pop them out again, just like that. And I guess we could change them. Let's go ahead and put new batteries in here. How's that sound? All right, so I got a couple of these rail backs. You got a little right in the back here. You just kind of, see right here? You just kind of push these and then they'll come out. Just like that. And then you just got to remember, if you look, it tells you which way to put it. So that's the positive side. You see there? Shows you the positive, goes like that. And then this one here, you do it the other way. You go this way. Whoops. So this one here, you're going to put in this way. It'll go in. Should go in there. All right, so now we've got our two new batteries in there. And we can go ahead and put this back in our thermostat. All right, so anyway, here's our batteries. We got them in there. You can see positive. It shows you positive, here's the positive end, here's the negative end, and it shows you the positive, AA. So it's no big deal. Now, to get it in, you gotta put it this way. You gotta have the press towards you. So we're gonna go ahead and slide it in, just like that. Let me just show you, right here's where it goes. That's where it goes, right down in there. So we're gonna go ahead and push this right here, right on the side here. Slide it in. And then we gotta make sure we get it locked in there, nice and tight. Bam, there we go. And now it should turn right back on. And there it is. Yay, it's working. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.